Have you ever wondered what gives chorizo its unique, smoky, spicy flavor? Today, we're diving deep into the history and making process of this popular Spanish sausage. Chorizo is a pork-based sausage that originated in Spain. It's made from coarsely chopped pork meat and fat, seasoned with garlic, salt, and pimentón, which gives it its distinctive red hue. Pimentón is a smoked paprika that comes in two types, sweet dulce and spicy picante. The type of pimentón used determines whether the chorizo will be mild or hot. Spanish chorizo can vary in spiciness from mild to medium. It typically uses a combination of sweet and spicy paprika, creating a well-balanced flavor that's both smoky and aromatic. Chorizo is available in two forms, cured or fresh. The cured variety, often found at delis and butcher shops, can be enjoyed on charcuterie boards with cheeses. Historically, what we know as chorizo today likely first appeared in the Iberian Peninsula after paprika was introduced to Spain from the Americas in the 16th century. Today, Spanish chorizo is a staple of Spanish cuisine and can be found in various dishes such as paella, steamed mussels, and on charcuterie boards. Its versatility makes it a favorite ingredient worldwide. So there you have it, the rich history and flavor profile of chorizo. What's your favorite way to enjoy this spicy sausage? Share in the comments.